What is your name?
My name is Edna Reyes,
How old are you?
46 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
Yes, ma'am. One daughter and one son.
How old are they?
My son is 23 years old and my daughter is 14 years old.
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
2 years, madam.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No, madam.
Okay, how long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
2 years, madam.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Yes, madam.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Living in Shung Shui,
How
madam.
many square feet of your employer's house?
750 square meter, madam.
Square feet.
Square feet.
How many family members are they?
Four adults and one elderly.
How old the elderly?
92 years old, madam.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning as at 6:30 and then I prepare myself and
Mm-hmm.
then after I start to my work, take blood pressure to my employer, my popo, and also I give medicine
Mm-hmm.
for every morning.
Okay. Then, do you prepare breakfast
Yes, madam.
for the elderly
Yes, for the
and
elderly.
for the family?
No, madam. For
Popo only.
breakfast only. For
For the
breakfast is big
Popo.
for popo, and then sometimes lunch for other members and also for my popo. And
Okay.
then
So, do you do the household chores?
yes, madam.
Like what?
Ironing clothes and wash clothes and
Mm-hmm.
mop the floor.
Okay.
And then
Do you go to market?
no, madam.
Okay. So, do you prepare dinner?
Yes, madam.
What time?
Seven. I prepare at 5 o'clock and then
You
they
cook
eat.
at 7.
Yeah, madam.
And then you eat dinner at what time?
Dinner is 7 to 8 p.m.
Okay, so until what time you go to sleep?
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock.
Where will you go on your holiday?
I go to my friend's house, madam.
Okay, so what kind of household chores are you good for?
Cooking and cleaning, madam.
How about taking care kids or elderly?
Elderly, madam. And also some kids.
Kids willing to learn.
Yeah, I'm learning them.
Willing to learn, okay?
Willing to, yes.
So what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I'm a software and so 2 years experience to take care of kids.
In
Years old.
Philippines?
Yes, madam, in the Philippines.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.